Well, hey there. We are going to get you all set up using 3 popular payment methods to get a QR code saved to your phone so that you can make a nice little graphic to use at vendor events or if you're doing a party so that people can pay you just by scanning your QR code if they don't have cash, check, money order. Do people still use money orders? You can't really get one at a house, but they're going to have that payment option. And so what I'm going to show you is how to save the QR codes from PayPal, Venmo, and Cash App so that you can maybe frame them. You can put them in a pretty 8x10 and have the options for people to pay you just by scanning. So let's go ahead and see how you get those QR codes from those 3 popular payment apps. In PayPal, we're going to go ahead and hit the request button on the bottom. And then in the top right, we're going to hit that little QR looking get started and then download, allow access to all photos, and then it has saved to your camera roll. Now let's go to Venmo. So we'll hit that little QR on the bottom left. Then we'll Venmo me at the top. That's going to give you your code. Again, hit that download button and save to the image, and it's going to go ahead and save to your phone as long as you allow photos. Then we're moving to Cash App. So hit on the upper left-hand corner, yes, allow access. You're going to hit my code on the bottom. There's your code, save it, save image, allow it to access your photos, and you're done.